Welcome to the installation video for our PSB 147. Here you have the arm with the original bushing having been removed and the casing thoroughly cleaned out, and the new PSB polyurethane bushing. Remove the sleeve from the PSB bush and lubricate the inner as well as the outer part of the bush. You can also lubricate the housing of the arm. To install the bushing, you can either use a hydraulic press as you see here, or otherwise even a bench vise. This bush has a mechanical lock, and so therefore as you press it through, the flange on the side that's being pushed down first will pop through on the other side and will lock into place. With the bushing now installed in the arm and the inner part of the bushing well lubricated, you can simply tap the sleeve in. And there you have our installed PSB 147.